Joining me now is John Toohey with RJ Groner, Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. And John, we're going to talk about one of those hidden things in your home that homeowners don't even think about. It's the ducts in your home, and things are in there.
Something that we've seen in our industry becoming a bigger and bigger issue in people's lives, in their indoor air quality and what they breathe in their homes, is stuff that is starting to accumulate and is hidden in the ductwork. Among the many things that you find in your ductwork is the real hidden stuff that sticks to the inside. It could be something like growth that's starting to develop on the inside because there's moisture in some areas in your home and it's accumulating in your ductwork. There could be heavy accumulation of dust, pet hair, dander. You may be the second or third owner of that home and not even realize how much stuff has accumulated because you just can't see it. One of the things that we pride ourselves on is we'll come in and actually do a full evaluation. We camera out your ductwork, we look inside, we bring you along, we show you what we see. Because in some cases, your ductwork is spotless, you don't need a service. In other cases, your ductwork definitely needs a full cleaning and a lot of attention. Or, third scenario, something is coming apart, your ductwork is falling apart, you didn't even know it. You're losing energy, you're losing heat, you're losing air conditioning into the attic spaces, into voids and stuff like that. That's all part of our evaluation process. Bring you in as the homeowner, make sure you understand, and give you the full picture before anything is done.
Now, your technicians come in with the equipment. How do they use it?
So George, we have several types of equipment that we use when we do a duct cleaning job, and it's all based on the type of application, okay? So what we have here, behind me here, as you see, this is called our brush beast. So this machine is designed for heavy buildup, heavy soiling inside the ductwork. It's designed to go in there and it uses these brushes, these wire whips, to go around inside and actually beat the inside of the ductwork to remove the heavy debris. Now the nice thing about this machine is we're not just running this and letting it go all over your house. That actually has a vacuum system built into it that's actually pulling out that material as it's taking it off the ductwork.
Besides cleaning things out, you also sanitize the ducts.
Yeah, so what you're seeing behind me here right now, one of the other devices that we have here is our fogger, our diffuser. And basically, once we're done with the complete duct cleaning inside your house, we'll set this machine up and we go through and we sanitize the ductwork. It's not just your ductwork that we're cleaning and sanitizing, we're also gonna go to your equipment. And we're gonna clean and sanitize the equipment. We're gonna clean the blower wheel inside that unit. We're gonna clean the cabinet inside that unit and sanitize that as well. When we leave, we don't want any trace that we were ever there, and all we want you to know is that you have a spotless system.
John, here in the Poconos, there's all kinds of ductwork in all kinds of places in the homes.
Ductwork in any type of application here in the Poconos could be in your attic, could be in your basement, could be in your crawl space, could be coming up the inside of your walls, could be starting at a low location and going up 2-3 stories in your house. And part of our service and the equipment that we bring is designed to clean all of that.
Another duct that you have in the house that you might not think about is the dryer vent.
Absolutely,
That
George.
is a duct, and that needs to be serviced. Another
Absolutely.
thing you guys do.
Most people start to realize something is wrong when their dryer is not drying as quickly as it used to, when it's taking longer, clothes are coming out damp from the dryer. That's not necessarily a problem with the dryer. A lot of times that problem is a heavy buildup of lint, and the dryer is unable to push that moisture and exhaust that heat out from the inside. Depending on the amount of laundry that you do on a regular basis, especially if you have a big family, you could see that dryer vent start to block up in as little as 2 or 3 months. So we made an investment here in a unit specifically designed to clean dryer vents. One of the things that we realized that you couldn't necessarily do is you can't always pull someone's dryer out from the wall and do the cleaning. You had to be able to get it from the outside location. So this particular device here allows us to remove the lint or vacuum the lint out while we're running a mechanical brush system through it on the inside. It cleans that duct spotless on the inside.
I actually had a dryer fire in my house. I was very lucky because someone was home. They grabbed a fire extinguisher, they put it out immediately. However, one of the problems that was created by a small dryer fire that was put out in minutes, even up on the second floor, soot all over the house. What an expense. What a hassle with the insurance companies. It was a mess. We don't want any of our customers to ever experience anything like that.
So John, let's take some action now. If viewers want to get in touch with RJ Groner about these services, what do they do?
You can always call us at 570-421-7260. You can text that number 24/7. You can now book this service online, or you can go to our website at rjgroner.com.